Okay, ready, take the motorbike. Smile, Daniel. Hey, the key's in my hand. You're not having it. I don't trust you. Okay, Okay. Door. Oh! Oh, crap. Oh, this buzzer doesn't work. Another one's in my mum's car. Uh-oh. Oh, that is really great. Trust me, if you knew me, that would have worked. Stop hugging my motorbike, man. Yeah. Shouldn't you be on the ground? Yeah, I'm going first. Because I've got to see if it works first. Okay, hop on. Okay. Okay, you can take the video. Hop on. You can take the video. Fucking piece of shit works. How old is this? On. Put my lights on. Got some technical problems. Oh yeah, that doesn't work. Yeah, hold on to the camera. We'll